Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this nice brown smoky-esque eye with a bit of sparkle. I wore this the other day, I really liked it, so I thought I would film it because who doesn't like a good smoky eye? Plus I like how it has kind of the natural tones of just like browns that's not too intense. It's like just enough that if you wanted to, you could wear this during the day or to a party of some sort. You know, holidays are coming, so if you want to wear this for Christmas, I think it'd still be really pretty. It's like a nice little pretty thing that you could do. It's super easy, doesn't take long at all. And yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Starting off with some lotion, moving along to primer. It's one I just always use. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I am like breaking out so much in my chin area. It's really starting to piss me off, man. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but doing something that my skin does not like. Just haven't figured it out. I cut out my favorite kind of cheese already. I don't know what else it wants me to do. I haven't been drinking any pop either. It's really just a guessing game now, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying like this new acne treatment on top of the one that I already used just to see if it helps. I don't know. Be nice if I like had clear skin for the holidays, you know? It's like a good time to have some. But you know, let's get a little base down. So I'm just using the James Charles palette with Morphe. Because this is all I really use anymore. It's just got like every color, so why not? So just taking canvas, giving myself a nice base. So next, since I'm going for a smoky-esque kind of look, I'm just going to slowly build up on the browns. So next I'm going to take Punch Me, just to give us a nice transition. So I'm just going in right over here and blending this out. I usually use the transition shades just to kind of map out what exactly I want to be doing. So now, start moving on to the fun part. So I'm just going to be using this brush to kind of for both of the shades that I'm going to be using. So I'm taking 10% off and I'm just going to start kind of packing that in this outer V section right here to kind of get the most color. Put most of it on this corner part here and then take whatever you have left and blend it out a bit. So we're just kind of slowly building up the darkness of the outer part of my eye. Next, I'm going to be taking No Beans. This is the one we're going to be focusing mainly on the outer V part, because we're not going to want to take this one too far in. Yeah, this is just going to add that kind of smoky, dramatic effect to our eyes. And I just kind of like going like this along my eye just to kind of soften up that line that we had going on right here. So we're going to be using So Good. I'm just going to take it on like a little packing brush, kind of like this one right here. And this is what we're going to be focusing on the more inner part of our eye. I'm going to spray this. I finally got some like actual setting spray. Hope everybody's proud of me. There we go. There, now you probably can see the color a little bit better. So I'm just going into the Friendcation palette. And I just want like a bit more shine. So I'm gonna dip my finger into Just a Kiss and use my finger along there. I'm just gonna keep it mostly right here and then move it over to the outside just because I like how no matter which way I turn there's always gonna be some sparkle just so it doesn't stop. Just mainly focus it in the inner section of your eye and then with the excess work it out. So I'm just gonna be going in with ring light. And I'm just gonna also put that into the inner corner. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna apply some mascara and then we'll be done with the eyes. That's done. Hot chocolate break. So good. Got some nice Swiss Miss here with marshmallows because I'm an adult. So now since we're moving on to the face, I'm just going to take my Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation and just start packing that all over the face. It's so nice to be filming today because I've been sick all week. So I've been sounding like super congested and gross, so I didn't want to film, and I'm also going to be going home soon. So I was worried about being sick, you know, over the holidays and feeling gross like I was for the past few days. But I'm starting to feel better. I'm at the end of the cold. Luckily, I got sick in like the perfect timing. And this one didn't last with me for a month like my last cold did. Just gonna go with my Shape Tape to hide those lovely bags that are slowly going away. Finally actually starting to sleep a little bit better now. I just got a new bed, so my back isn't hurting as much, and I'm, for the most part, staying asleep a lot better than I was before. I can actually like stretch now without slamming my hand into a wall, so that's pretty great. So I'm just gonna set all those areas I put the concealer with some powder. We're gonna do a bit of contouring. Just a tad. Need to get new lights or something, because this little one I have is just not working out. I look so washed out right now, and it's actually like really dark in this room right now. But whatever. Guess as long as you guys can see the eye makeup, that's all that really matters, right? Alright, what was I lost my focus. Oh my god. Highlighter. That's what I'm doing because I just finished contouring. Going into Fuego. And just doing the cheeks up a tad. By tad, I mean just go as much as your heart desires. I like to do it on the tip of the nose. That really cute little line of thing, and then I just run it along the cupid's bow a little bit. And now I'm just gonna be applying some lipstick. This is the one that Kylie did with her mother. So whenever I'm applying this, I just like to tap it kind of on my lips. So I love this lipstick. It actually lasts a really long time. Now I'm just applying some clear gloss over it from Glossier. We're just going back into the James palette. I'm gonna take Punch Me and just run it under my eyes. So that's like that. So I'm actually gonna add some mascara on the bottom lashes. This is literally the only mascara that I do this with. Just because I find all other mascaras kind of put way too much on your bottom lashes, and then it just looks too much for me. I can't handle it. Now I'm just going to set my face with the Tarte Rainforest with a C setting spray. which I just doused the shit out of me because I can't feel it at all really. It's so fine. Alright, so this is the finished look. Not bad. It's got a bit of sparkle, which is exactly what is amazing about this. I love sparkle, so it's perfect. I mean, not bad at all. I just threw a leather jacket on because I feel like it fits the vibes perfectly with the nice dark smokiness tones that we have going on here. But yeah, this is perfect for kind of like a night out, or also perfect for, you know, Christmas Eve kind of thing, or even New Year's, because that's coming up soon. This is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like down below, leave a comment, let me know how your week's been going, how your day was today, anything at all, just let me know. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.